Hi everyone. Today I am going to be unboxing my new Ninja Slushi Machine. I got this for my birthday, so I'm super excited and I wanted to do an unboxing video. Alright, I already came with some little straps on here. I already cut that off. So, let's see. Oh, I can just lift this up, I think. Yeah, just lift this up. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Okay. This is just the cord. I don't know what this piece is yet. All right, it comes with some frozen drinks, tips and tricks, a quick start guide, safety instructions, and some recipes. All right. Okay, this says add liquid here. Do not add ice, solids, or hot ingredients. Okay. And right, and it has some tape on it. Okay. Oh, it actually has a barcode here that says, for best slushy, scan below to get started. All right. And this one makes slushies. I get slushies, spiked slushies, and milkshakes. This is the 72 ounce. So, oh, I think this actually is a tray that goes here. Yep, it just slides on there. So, yeah, yep. Awesome. So, alrighty, I am going to take this apart so I can start getting it clean so I can use it. Probably post some drinks and show you guys how it went. Alright, thanks for watching.